Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with safety as the priority. You must treat the rifle as loaded until proven otherwise. Clear the chamber and remove the magazine under supervision. Once done, make sure you understand local regulations and range rules. These affect how you carry and display a sling. Seek guidance from a certified instructor or an experienced armorer. They provide hands-on correction. Remember, professional oversight prevents damage and reduces risk, so do not attempt adjustments alone or from only online descriptions. Once safety and legal checks are done, focus on learning under a trainer. Watch step-by-step demonstrations slowly. You will understand the rationale behind each movement and how the sling supports carry positions. Make sure to practice only with an instructor present who can correct fit, tension, and attachment choices. Also, consult the rifle and sling manufacturer guidance or an armorer for model-specific compatibility. This avoids improper mounting that can cause wear or unsafe handling. To finish, verify the sling's fit and behavior during guided handling. Make small adjustments only with an instructor's approval. If anything feels loose, binding, or uncertain, stop immediately and have a qualified armorer inspect attachment points and hardware. Make sure worn or damaged components are replaced. Do not improvise fixes. If problems persist, seek professional repair or replacement. Above all, prioritize safe handling and supervised practice, rather than improvisation when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.